So my daughter was down in my work area this morning, and she asked about the dancing flower, which was up on a shelf. And she asked if she could have it for her room. This is actually one of the projects that got canceled because of the pandemic. It got canceled like right towards the beginning of everything. So it was almost done, but I wasn't able to completely finish it out. The only thing that needed to be done on this prototype version was to like print a taller pot for it so that the electronics could fully sit into it because it was just a little bit too high. So I told her, yeah, and I printed out. I guess she asked for it yesterday because I printed out the pot, and then this morning I had her help me go through and undo some of the electronics in the bottom of the old pot so that we can move it to the top. But I mean, now it's done. So and this is like a dancing flower that I reverse engineered. It's based on the ones from the late '80s, early '90s ish, like the were kind of popular. One of the designers at work, John, came to me with this idea of like repurposing this for a client. So we just looked at reference videos and like reverse engineered everything, like all the mechanics, the coding, and stuff like that. I mean, I'm positive that it's completely different than the way that they did it, but it was a really cool project to go through and kind of like think through, look at a video, see some motions, imagine how I would do it, and then just like like iterate through and make it. So I'm glad that even though this project died, I'm glad that I at least got one functional one out of it. So now I can go in my daughter's room.